Hey, what up guys? It's your girl aka Roxxie and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be really quick, short, straight to the point. It's pretty much what I use to get my hair from this to this with no chemicals, no dyes, nothing harsh. In fact, what I used was really simple and it was actually really affordable, other than $5. What I pretty much used was this. Yeah, this is what I used. If you guys saw my other video, I stated it, that why my hair was so light, and it was this. This is literally, when I bought this was $3. $3. But here's the thing though. If your hair's already dyed, it's not gonna work. This is only for people who have nothing in their hair. No dyes. I don't know if it works for people that have perms. It could. Give it a try. This is pretty much all it has is, it contains real lemon juice and it's alcohol free. So what I pretty much did was just spray it on my hair. Spray it on my hair and then be in the sun. If you're not gonna be in the sun, I suggest you get a heated blow dryer. I would, for the times that I was not gonna be in the sun, I literally got my heated blow dryer, put this bad boy on, put a plastic Walmart shopping bag on my head, and then I went in there for I went under the dryer for 15 minutes. For about 15 minutes, when I popped that baby off, it was like honey. It was that simple. Yeah, this is pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys how my hair is right now and what is done with my hair. When my hair is dry, it looks like a completely different color. It looks like this, which is beautiful. But then when I put products in it, like gel or whatever, it looks more like a brown, which is also really pretty. So it's I got two different looks, you know what I'm saying? Versatile. So you can tell, this is my hair when it's combed out. It's super light. You can see that I'm starting to get new growth right over here. I don't like to do it soon after, because if I spray right here, then this right here is gonna be even lighter. So I like to have a good amount of at least up to here of new growth, and then I could just spray that in there, go under the dryer, and then that's it. So as you guys can see, it's super light. My ends are a little darker because I did have dyes in them before, but this is pretty much how it is. And you guys can see my new growth is pretty it's brown. So the more that I do it, as you can see over here, the more that I do it, the lighter my hair will be. But I am in love with this this color. So I do patches. For example, this one is lighter because I sprayed it on this, and I significantly kind of was trying to do highlights. So yeah. So this is my results of what I did, and I'm just gonna sleek my hair back really quick, and that is it. That's pretty much it. That's all I do. I keep it simple, you know? There's no need to be spending so much money. There's always another alternative. The game of finessing, the game of working with what you got, the game of who cares? I don't got that, so make it work. That's it. That's it. That's all about life. Make it work with what you got. I got lemons, so I made sunning. And I dyed my hair damage free, and I got the color I wanted, and I didn't spend that much money. And that's what life is about.